Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sarah Liisa. It is a sad day here at the cottage. It, for one, won't stop raining. It's been raining for days, and I've had to just put away all of my patio furniture for the season, so it's terrible weather. And I'm feeling kind of sad about having to tuck away everything from the patio. So let's turn it around and hop in the truck and head to a thrift store. So I thought that there was only one side plate and it was all dinner plates and teacups.
Say that I love you.
I love chatting with people in the thrift shop. It's always a good time. As I was saying, there was only one side plate, so I was really happy to find these, but a tiny bit disappointed that there was only one side plate. I was going to get them anyway, but look everywhere because they were just hiding on a different shelf. Now I'm ecstatic. I'm back home now and so excited about these dishes. I'm really glad that there wasn't a lineup at the checkout. At our thrift store now, there are no checkouts where you can go and like check out with a person. You have to check out by yourself. So I had to flag someone down and ask them if they had like a box and, hi Megs, and some newspaper. And she was like, yeah. And we waited there for like 10 minutes. She finally brought me a box and I did proceed to wrap every single one of the dishes because they were in pristine condition. This pattern, I just looked it up. I fell in love with it. I didn't really know what it was, but it was the Noritake love song. And I think it's from the 80s is my guess, but it's this really pretty Tiffany blue with white flowers and silver edges. And I'm gonna unbox it all now and figure out how many of each piece I have and what type of table setting I can make with them. I put together just a quick tablescape to sort of see how it looks. And I'm really pleased. This really cheered up my day. It has been raining and dreary. The weather's been terrible. Let me know in the comments below, has it been like that where you live too? Some days you just need to go out for a little thrift and to find something pretty to lift your spirits, to lift your mood. And I'll see you here next week with a brand new one. Bye.